Every cabin must be dust-free, organized, and have properly stored life jackets, immersion suit. Doors and portholes must be functional. Rust should be removed and repainted. And proper ventilation are necessary for comfort. Air vents must be clear to maintain fresh airflow. We ensure hot and cold water meets regulations, and any damaged shower heads or fixtures are replaced. Laundry facilities must work properly, and waste must be segregated to comply with MAC-POL. Fire safety is a priority. Smoking areas must have covered ashtrays. And lighting must always be functional. Cabin inspections ensure hygiene, safety, and efficiency. A clean ship is a happy ship. Let's work together to keep our home at sea in top condition.
Thank you for watching.